All right, we've got a 40-gallon tank here, gas. Taking it out, and we'll replace it with a new one. Scott's going to loop the tension strap around this, connect it back. Drop the pin in and it's ready to cinch up. Notice how the swivel connects right up to the water heater. And a quick loop allows you to hang on to the top while sliding it out. Bring it up, clears the floor and the pan, if there was a pan. Another problem with this old water heater. Notice the tight cramped spot, yet it still is able to get in there. Get her lowered down and ready to move out of the house. We're just over 2 minutes. Water heater out.